So it's our last morning in Whistler. We're heading to the Vancouver airport today to go to San Francisco. We got almost 50 centimeters of snow last night, more than we've gotten the whole time here. So it's gonna be interesting to see how getting out of here goes. Fingers crossed.
Fingers.
Our airline's looks It's a good technique. I didn't put this camera all packed. Ready to roll? So you haven't seen this car yet, have you, Torin? Look at how deep it is. As you can hear, everyone's quite impressed by the amount of snow. The Christmas tree's almost fully covered. That's a commercial.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me.
Got here, we have ample time.
We'll get away to a place where we.
So you've been traveling lots. You film it all? And all?
Yeah, well that's kind of what this is.
So is it videoing now?
Do you want to say hi?
I'm already on YouTube.
Where can we find you?
Whitecap Frank. Vancouver Airport. Have you before? I have, yeah. Oh yeah, okay.
The stamp?
Yeah, with a pineapple thing on it. Maybe I can just take you off the flight now for a minute.
And you can look for us. We're
Travel with Torin, I'll do that. Oh, you're Torin.
Yeah. See you online. We just went through the U.S. Customs in Canada. Torin, we just walked into the U.S. That red line, one side was Canada, one side was the U.S. So I stood in both countries at once.
No, it's not true.
It's 100% true. What America has done is colonize a small section of Canada.
Part of America.
America in Canada. How cool is that? I think once you go through the customs within Canada at Vancouver International Airport, you are now technically in a domestic flight because we're now in the United States. Now it's lounge time.
The Air Canada Maple Leaf Lounge is a Star Alliance lounge, but has recently withdrawn from the priority pass list.
You want to see what they have to eat?
The word is that their meals can be amazing,
I wanted the bread.
Okay. Grab some bread.
but their pre-lunch snacks were pretty simple.
Tap beer. And it is Molson. It's not too early for this. True Canadian nectar. That's breakfast. Tastes like a hockey game. You want a beer? I'll get you one.
It's even warm like Canadian hockey beer.
Breakfast of champions. Maybe we can get an endorsement from Molson. You love doing the toast. Have a good flight. You have a great rest of the trip. You will. It was a really good time with family.
Already packed.
Come to New Zealand when I get there.
Torin and I got a little teary saying goodbye to Abado and Haraboji.
About to see.
But we'll see them again in October in Morocco, otherwise not soon.
Distractions will get away.
And now it's our turn to go to the plane. Thank you.
Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights.
What plane did you get?
Be free with me.
Going.
Be free. Be free with me. Be free. Not looking back. Eyes on the freeway. Bonnie and Clyde. A classic cliche. We're on the run. This is what we waited for.
San Francisco, you excited?
Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out.
recognize this area? This is right where we came out after the secondary. Wow. So beautiful here. Is that your new dance? Is that the 2019 dance? Uber works at the airport in San Fran. Some airports it doesn't. What's our Uber driver's name?
Abado.
We checked into the number 3 TripAdvisor rated Omni Hotel San Francisco. And here's the best part. We didn't pay a single dime.
Great, thank you. Oh, look at this. Ooh.
So welcome to the Omni San Francisco Hotel. Please enjoy your stay with us. Have a great day.
What's that? Who gets to have those? Do I get to have some?
Yeah.
Room exploration. Oh. So Torin says this is his room. Me no think so. This hotel room was completely covered by Chase Ultimate Rewards points. Only just learning how to utilize them. I probably didn't utilize them in the best possible way. It was just a straight cash replacement. It was great. We got this hotel for 4 nights here in San Francisco. We got both of our rental cars and our flights to Canada, all with points. If anyone's curious, I might be able to explain how we did that. It's not that difficult. Free hotel room, right?
You should do time lapse like Casey.
Wow. I'll do one with the Osmo.
The Omni is an absolutely classic hotel that ticks all the boxes of something that feels like it's from a totally different time. To get to stay there felt like an incredible privilege.
It's fancy.
And to stay there for free felt too good to be true.
Where are we going?
Bob Steak and Chop House.
You look like you're ready for some steak. You paying for the meal tonight?
Bob's is a classic and super convenient steakhouse connected directly to the lobby of the Omni. Owned, of course, by Bob.
Wait, what is this? It's an iPad.
That's our wine list.
Oh!
What is this? Threw up the pickles always on the dining room table.
The napkin.
Steakhouse bread, thumbs up.
Another table.
Oh my.
Please enjoy.
That's amazing.
Wow, it's incredible. It's so big.
So big. Already full from looking at it.
It's bigger than the
Should have just not eaten all day.
Thank you. Fancy furnishings and giant steaks can certainly make a place feel nice. But it's the people that can make an experience extra special and memorable.
Awesome.
That steak is insane, right?
It was massive.
Yeah.
This is Daryl. Omni is amazing. We aren't even going to remember the Omni. We're going to remember Daryl. It's amazing.
Thank you. I appreciate it. That's very nice of you. Welcome to the Omni. Travel with Torin.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you guys.
Please do. Thank you.
We should eat cookies.
Yeah, we're gonna eat cookies.
It's kind of like Santa, but cookie time. Good.
It's so good. You just dip it in the milk. Say goodnight. Okay, we should snap our fingers. You're going to be in your jammies. Ready? 1, 2, 3. All right, we have to remember this position. How do you know Mr. Peanut?
You worked on Mr. Peanut.
I know, I was Mr. Peanut. It's so dim in here. We have to use flashlights to see.
I'm already full.
Keep filming.
My hands hurt.